If your Equate warm mist humidifier suddenly stops producing mist, starts blinking strangely, or just isn't performing like it used to, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to reset it and bring it back to life. Stay with me because this simple process fixes the majority of common issues. Let's get right into it. First, turn off the humidifier and unplug it completely. This might sound obvious, but it's the safest way to start any reset or maintenance. A warm mist humidifier uses heat, so giving it a full power disconnect ensures you're working safely and starting with a clean electrical state. Next, remove the water tank and empty out any remaining water. This helps prevent accidental spills and also makes the reset cleaner. If you've been running the unit for several days, this is the perfect moment to refresh the water supply anyway. Now let's move to the base. This is where most problems hide. Check the heating chamber and surrounding area for mineral buildup or residue. Hard water can leave scale behind, and that buildup can slow down mist production. Take a damp cloth and wipe away anything you see. Even a light layer can affect performance, so a quick clean goes a long way. Once everything looks clean, it's time for the most important step, the reset button. On most Equate warm mist models, you'll find it near the bottom or along the side of the base. Grab a paper clip, pin, or anything with a narrow tip. Press and hold that reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. This clears the internal warning system and restores the default settings. Now, plug the humidifier back in. Give it a couple of seconds to power up, then turn it on. If the reset worked, your warm mist should start flowing normally again, and any blinking lights or warning indicators should disappear. And that's it. Your Equate warm mist humidifier is officially reset and refreshed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more quick fixes and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.